So this one, a plus b all squared, right, equals to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. This one is a minus b squared equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Yeah, this two is different from the third identity we have learned is a plus b times a minus b equals to a squared minus b squared. But we don't use it this time, okay? We don't use this time. We only use this two. The expression equals to this one squared. That means cosine theta squared or cosine square theta, cosine theta bracket squared, plus 2 times this 2, sine theta cosine theta, plus sine theta squared all squared. That means sine square theta plus, again, this one squared, cosine square theta, minus 2 times this 2, 2 sine theta cosine theta, and then plus this one squared, sine theta bracket squared, and then cross out the same term, plus and minus, so you have 2 cosine square theta, 2 cosine square theta, plus 2 sine square theta, and then you can take out a 2, like this. This plus this is 1, so it's 2 times 1 is equals to 2. For this one is a fraction, right? The denominator are not the same, so you need to find a common denominator first. How? We just multiply together, but just keep this. This factor, numerator and denominator, need to times 1 minus cosine theta. That means theta squared. This one, numerator denominator, you times sine theta. So you square it like this. Actually, I write, if you do it slowly, the step is like this. So it is, but I don't write it in this one. I just write in the other side. Actually, it is like this. This factor, numerator and denominator, you times the 1 minus cosine theta. And this one, the numerator and the denominator, you times sine theta. Now the denominator are the same, and then the numerator you add them up. So this one, numerator, using this identity again, a is 1 squared is 1, 2 times 1 times cosine theta, minus 2 cosine theta, and then cosine theta squared, that means cosine square theta, plus sine square theta, okay? And then sine theta 1 minus cosine theta. And these two add together is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So it's 2 minus 2 cosine theta. Can you still simplify it? You can take out 2 there. 1 minus cosine theta. Now, you can simplify a factor. These two factors are the same. 1 minus cosine theta. You can simplify this. And the final answer will be like this. You can check whether you are correct. For example, you put theta as 10 degree, 1 minus cosine 10 degree over sine 10 degree plus sine 10 degree over 1 minus cosine 10 degree will be 11.51. And see this one, 2 over sine 10 degree, is it the same? Yeah, the same, so you are correct.